For the next set of problems, we're going to take a look at even more challenging problems. I call these Find Missing Angle Challenge Problems Level 3. This figure below is not drawn to scale. We have a rectangular piece of paper that is folded along YZ as shown. So I'm going to just trace YZ to remind myself that that is the fold. We want to find the measure of angle X. Angle X is that angle that was going from the bottom of the paper up to the fold. So the best thing to think about with this problem is we're looking for X. We know 45 degrees, so we need to figure out what this angle is. If I think about this piece of paper lying flat, I'm going to draw what that looks like. By lying flat, I mean I just take that folded piece and lay it back down. So here's my folded piece. I'm going to use a dotted line. And I'm going to lay that piece that was up here that I'm showing with a dotted line. I'm going to take this piece and lay it back down. So this angle right here is going to become this angle right here, because we're just taking this area and laying it back down into this area, which tells me that this angle, X, and this angle formed by the fold is also going to be X. And I know that BZC is a straight angle, so it measures 180 degrees. That's going to be helpful because I know that the sum of X, X, and 45 must be 180 degrees, since those three angles are formed by vertex Z and add up to BZC. If I just solve this like an algebra equation, I would have 2x plus 45 equals 180. If I subtract 45 from both sides, I'll have 2x equals 135. And if I divide by 2, I get x equals 67.5 degrees. I'm going to write that in here. 67.5 degrees might seem like an interesting angle measurement, because I don't know that we've encountered many with decimals before. But if you think about the protractor, and here's your 90-degree mark, let's say right here is 67 and right here is 68 degrees on the protractor. The angle measurement 67.5 is just the angle measurement in between those tick marks, halfway in between 67 degrees and 68 degrees. So having a decimal angle measurement is totally fine. Let's go ahead and check our answer. 67.5 plus 67.5 plus 45 degrees needs to add up to 180 if we did our math correct. So let's take a look. 5 plus 5 is 10, carry the 1. 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15, plus 5 is 20. And I'm going to make sure I put my decimal mark right there. And then we have 2 plus 6, which is 14, plus 4 is 18 rather, to make a total sum of 180 degrees. Therefore, we did this problem correctly.